Hey, this is Brett from Automotion Classics in Troy, New York. This is a 97 Defender 90 soft top, an NAS truck, only year with the automatic transmission. We rescued this from Nantucket. It's a low mileage, very original truck that needs some cosmetics and some work. We sold it to a customer in Georgia that is commissioning a full restoration and some nice tasteful modifications to it. So this is what we're starting with. All original paint, 28,000 mile truck. We're starting the disassembly. The owner wants a color change to Grasmere Green, which is the new Heritage Defender color. We're going to be doing a stroker kit. So we're leaving it with a Land Rover engine, but he wants some additional power. We'll do a nice leather interior, a bunch of other upgrades. So this is the beginning. Just wanted to show you guys what we're working with. Check back the next update. It's going to have some more exciting stuff.